You got the Furniture Cowboy here. Just ordered a love seat recliner. Got it delivered. Brought it up to the apartment. Anyway, take a look. What we got here is the Relax-A-Lounger. Yeah, this is a product made in Vietnam. Each box is 75 pounds, it looks like. And there's 2 boxes. This is box 2 of 2. You'll need box 1, it says. Handle with care. Both boxes are pretty large. So yeah, it's going to take an effort to get them into your room. Into your apartment or into your house. Best thing to do when you're doing this here is open each box first. Right in the top of the box is the back to the lounger. There's 2 loungers really, and you assemble them together. But you want to make sure some of the cautions online have been, the reviews have been online. Occasionally they ship a different color left than right. So what I did was I opened the box. The back cushion of each box and verified that they were both, in this case, the black leather. Then I brought out the rest of the back. This is the bottom of the lounger. This will be the left side. And so we're going to check to see that the right side matches as well. It might be easier. I did the tilt-up method. Tilt the box up so you can pretty much pour the unit out. That might be easier, especially if you're by myself like I am. Let me check the inside contents. So each box has a back, a seat, and then it also has an armrest. And the armrest is tucked underneath the seat portion, so remove those. Everything comes in its own baggie to protect it until you get it in place. Hopefully we can do this right. Now folks, there just are absolutely no instructions in the box or elsewhere on how to assemble these 2 pieces. So what we're going to do is we're going to be careful going forward. I've got the left and right seats side by side. Let's see if they attach themselves or just stay together by gravity. Now there's a small clip on the right side. If you can see this slot, this little keyhole, and the left side has the key. So these are going to fit together. In other words, you're going to put the right side in place, and then the left side is going to fall down in this keyhole. That holds the chairs together. Let's do that right now. Yeah, so the brackets aren't really aligning very well. And there's 2 of them, front and back. And if you can see, this one is already bent. Somebody trying to get it in there. It appears this package has been opened before. But I may need to remove these bolts here to get this clip in place. Let's see if I can make that happen. Alright, so I got the clips together. I try to sort of encourage them. It's still bent, but by loosening these 2 bolts here, I was able to make the connection. Top and bottom is all connected. Now I'll tilt it back down and gravity should do the job. Let's check it out. Okay, there you have it. You got the left and the right side are together. And now let's see what we can do next. Alright, so the next step is to actually zipper the arms to the side of the chair. And so you got to match up their zipper. You can see it here in the dark with a cushion zipper. Let's do it. Okay, zipper in the armrest was kind of hard to do. You kind of need an extra pair of hands, but I was able to do it by myself, a little blindfolded. You have to sort of stand behind the zipper and do it by feel. But anyway, they look pretty good, left and right side. Now let's attack the back. All right, so the backs line up. We've got these 2 clips, and they rest down here on the seat clips. They should just guide on, and it looks like from the instructions, it's just gravity. So let's give it a try. Now we've got one side in place. The question becomes, how far down does the clip go? And so I really gave it a little extra push at the top to get it all the way down. And so that looks pretty good. Let's see if we can get the left side on. All right, we got the second back in place, and it looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Note the Furniture Cowboy here found one errant piece of wire near the clip of the back, so I cut that off with some pliers so it didn't scratch the faux leather. You don't want that to happen. Anyway, let's check it out, see if it operates. All right, it took a little finagling to get the left side to recline. A little encouraging. It goes to the from the sitting position to the partially reclined positions pretty quickly, but you kind of got to scoot it into the final full back position. As you can see in the reclined position, it just takes an extra couple of inches away from the back. It doesn't take that much to get the recline going. Let's check the right side out now. And the right side reclines. Looking good. As I say, the fabric is so slippery, it's kind of hard to get it in the full reclined position, but it's there. Anyway, it's a compact love seat reclining sofa. And this is perfect for an apartment this size. Very small apartment, but it's perfect to get in there and watch some TV. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Like it and share it if you like. Talk to you later. You got the Furniture Cowboy signing off.